Good morning, students. Today I am here to show you something. What is this? Can you guess? This is toothpaste, toothbrush, comb, and a soap. Why I am showing you all these things today? Because we are going to learn the new topic from EVS cleanliness. So let's begin. We'll learn the topic with help of our EVS textbook. Let's start. We do and we use. So here some objects are shown and here the ways how we can clean ourselves. Brush our teeth twice a day. We use toothpaste and toothbrush. Have a bath in the morning with warm water and soap. We use soap and towel. Wash and comb our hair. We use shampoo for washing hair and we use comb for combing the hair. Cut our nails with a nail cutter. We use a nail cutter to cut our nails. Wash our hands before and after eating. We use soap and towel. We use soap or we can use hand wash for washing our hands before and after eating. On the next page, you have to match the actions to object names. You need to complete this page as a homework. First, I'll show you. I comb my hair with a comb. So, you need to find out the name and you need to draw the line till here and match it. Next is I take care of my surroundings. Student surroundings means the area near our home and we should keep that area also clean. There are some ways we can keep the surroundings clean. Use a dustbin to throw waste. Do not throw waste on the ground. Then keep your books and toys on the shelves. Do not leave them everywhere. Then we can mosquitoes breed in dirty water. Mosquitoes spread diseases like dengue and malaria. Do not allow dirty water stored near our home. Students, if there is some dirty water near your home stored, there will be mosquitoes breeding in that and mosquitoes are spreading diseases, dengue, malaria. So do not allow a dirty water to be stored at near your home. Eat your food neatly. Do not spill on the table. Keep the food covered. Keeping food open attracts flies and cause diseases. You need to cover the food which is cooked. And why? Because it attracts the flies and flies also causes different diseases. So these are some good habits. Use dustbin to throw waste, keep books and toys on the shelves, then eat your food neatly, then do not store or collect a dirty water near your home and keep the food covered. Number 48 here you have to mark good habits. Here some pictures are given. You need to find the correct one and you need to put tick here. So your today's homework is page number 46 as well as page number 48. Now I'll stop sharing with you. So students, in today's topic, what do we learn? We learn some objects which we need for take care of ourselves. We seen toothbrush, toothpaste, comb, as well as we seen how to keep our surroundings clean. Now you need to copy this all words in your notebook. Toothpaste, toothbrush, soap and comb. For this topic, you need to copy these many words. So, thank you and bye-bye.